In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a BOTIM subscription. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You will see a colorful icon typically located on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you tap on it, a new screen will appear showcasing various apps and games. This is the place where you can manage all your apps, including subscriptions. It is essential to access this store as it links directly to your account and subscription details. When you are ready, simply proceed to the next step. Next, tap your profile picture, which is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. This area represents your account settings and preferences. When you tap on it, a drop-down menu will appear, giving you access to various options related to your Google account. This is an important step because it allows you to access your personal account settings where your subscriptions are listed. Once you see the drop-down options, you are ready for the next step. Now tap on Payments and Subscriptions. This option will take you to a new screen that lists your payment methods and subscription services. Here you will find all the subscriptions linked to your account, including BOTIM. This step is crucial because it helps you locate the specific subscription you want to manage. Take a moment to review the information displayed, ensuring you find the correct subscription before moving on. From there, tap on Subscriptions. This will open a new section displaying all the services you are currently subscribed to. You will see the names of the apps and services, along with their renewal dates and prices. It is vital to ensure you are in this section as it directly relates to managing your subscriptions. If BOTIM is listed here, you are in the right place. Now locate and select the BOTIM VIP subscription to proceed. After that, tap on BOTIM VIP. This action will take you to the details of your subscription. You will see information about your current plan, billing cycle, and renewal details. This is an important step because it confirms you are viewing the correct subscription. Take a moment to ensure everything looks correct before you continue. With this confirmation, you can confidently move on to the cancellation process. Next up, tap on Cancel Subscription. This option will initiate the cancellation process. When you tap this button, you may be asked to confirm your choice or provide a reason for the cancellation. This step is essential as it officially starts the process of ending your subscription. Once you confirm your cancellation, you can be assured that you will not be charged for the next billing cycle. Now follow the on-screen instructions. You may see some additional prompts guiding you through the cancellation process. This could involve confirming details or reviewing what will happen after the cancellation. It's crucial to pay attention to these instructions as they ensure you complete the process correctly. Once you've followed all necessary prompts, you are getting closer to finalizing your cancellation. Finally, wait for the cancellation confirmation. After completing the previous steps, it's important to ensure you receive a confirmation message. This message will typically appear on the screen or be sent to your email. It acts as your proof that the subscription has been canceled successfully. Remember, this is vital for your records and peace of mind. Note, uninstalling the BOTIM app does not cancel your subscription. Always ensure you follow the steps above to avoid any unexpected charges. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you effectively cancel your BOTIM subscription.